What's up, everyone? It's Baron from Chill Guy Vibe. Today we're going to be trying the grilled chicken nugget from Chick-fil-A. So I was looking at it. I'm not too sure if I'll like it, but then again, I don't know why I wouldn't. It's literally just grilled chicken. So we'll try one by itself in a second here. For the sauce, I got zesty buffalo and honey mustard. So go and try one by itself. Okay. Grilled chicken. And it is very greasy. That is one downside. I thought it being grilled it wouldn't be so greasy, but we'll try honey mustard. I don't like it. I don't like the honey mustard. We'll try the zesty buffalo. We'll get a new one. I don't like their sauce. I don't like Chick-fil-A sauce. The chicken by itself is fine. It's alright. I definitely had better chicken. If you're looking for like a grilled chicken nugget, I would not suggest go to Chick-fil-A. They're they're a lot greasier than I would have thought they would be. And the flavor is... it has flavor, it's not really there. You know what I mean? So, I'd probably rate it. If I gave it a rating, I'd rate it it's alright. What is that, like a 4? Or 5? I'd give it like a 3.5. So, thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give my video a like. Leave me a comment. Let me know if there's something from Chick-fil-A you would recommend. Let me know if you like their sauce. Because I don't. Thanks.